What up? Welcome to Island on a Plate, where I give you guys my point of view on Caribbean ingredients, spices, food, dishes that I enjoy using and I enjoy eating myself. Sit back, relax, and let's talk about Caribbean food. What's up, y'all? Let's talk about Coarse or coarse salt or sea salt. Has larger crystals than table salt, so it's giving a more pronounced, slow dissolving salinity. Because of the coarser texture, it releases its flavor gradually, making it ideal for a long cooking process. Coarse isn't just about seasoning. It is a Haitian kitchen heritage. It is traditionally used to preserve meat and fish, and it is also part of the cleaning process we call the laver vianou. So before we start cooking the dishes, we wash it. So we use coarse or coarse salt in that process that typically involves some citrus or vinegar. We use it to cook soups, stews, fish, meat, to use in Ep3, to use to clean, to use to preserve. It is an integral part of Haitian cuisine and Caribbean cuisine.